The upcoming subcompact crossover will be completely redesigned. These details are visible, even covered with heavy camouflage. This crossover is going to be excel in dimensions, so the main shell is bigger and wider. There are no strict details about the platform, but we assume that even this part is got under the makeover. According to specialists, the 2025 Nissan Kicks will ride on the new platform. It should improve driving impression, comfort, and safety. The front fascia is not curved as before. Now it looks like more like on big SUVs and is squared. Compared to the predecessor, it is also wider. We can notice similarities with the electric area concept. Subcompact crossover are not there to provide too much power. The focus is on the gas mileage more than anything else. The Kicks is not bad with 33 mpg, but 122 HP coming from a 1.6-liter engine is really not impressive. The company doesn't even offer an all-wheel drive as an alternative, although it will not fix the driving impression. The new generation of the subcompact crossover will debut next year. The Kicks will cost more in the future. The Nismo package might increase the price to $30,000. Also, the hybrid will be a $2,000 upgrade over the base engine.